So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to receive money on Apple Pay. So first of all, download or rather open your wallet app. On there you will see the wallet as well as the box and plus signs, and you can add cards through these options in the top right corner. At the bottom you will see the cards that you've added, and it's important to note that you need to set up Apple Cash. So once you clicked on setup, you will need to click on continue, read through the terms and some agreements you need to agree to, and from there I will just show you how it will look. So to accept a payment in your wallet and Apple Pay are linked together, so it's pretty much the same. You will need to verify your identity, then accept payments automatically or manually. Open the wallet app, then tap your Apple Cash card, tap the more button, then tap card details. Tap manually accept payments or automatically accept payments, and when you have manually accept payments enabled, to receive money, you just go to message conversations where you want to receive, tap accept, and then follow the on-screen instructions, and you have 7 days to accept that payment. So that's about it. When you change the method of accepting payments, it updates on all your devices. So everywhere you have Apple ID, this different feature will be linked. So through here, go to Apple Cash, set it up, continue, agree to it, follow the steps, and from there you can go to your messages and agree and accept payments from others. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Apple Pay or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.